Hardanger Filling Stitches, a step-by-step handbook by Yvette Stanton, is the ultimate exhaustive filling stitch dictionary for specialist Hardanger embroiderers. The book starts off by placing the embroidery in its historical context, showing you where the embroidery came from in Norwegian traditional cultural dress. It then moves on to the foundation stitches you will need to make filling stitches. It teaches you how to work satin stitch clusters and how to cut the fabric threads successfully. It has information on the importance of tension, which many people struggle with. And then we move on to the different filling stitches. This book brings together the widest range of Hardanger filling stitches ever compiled in a single compendium. With more than 100 filling stitches and variations, it includes both traditional stitches and contemporary ones, from the very simple right through to the incredibly complicated, all broken down into clear step-by-step instructions with diagrams for every step. There are colour-coded left-handed, which is red, and right-handed, blue, instructions for every stitch. The step-by-step instructions are easy to follow, making it easy to learn. Whether you're a learner who works best by seeing the illustrations or reading the words, or both, you can find success with the instructions in this book. You will learn how to avoid problems and have the self-assurance to fix any mistakes you make. Completing the book is a beautiful Hardanger band sampler project featuring many of the stitches so that you can put what you've learned into practice. As well as a regular written index, there is a pictorial index to help you locate the motif you're looking for at a quick glance. The book has 280 full colour pages, which means it's packed with information. Yvette Stanton's expert instructions will help you on your way to making beautiful Hardanger embroidery filling stitches.